Here I have a Carrier Tech 2000 heat pump with a Copeland reciprocating compressor. 2001. There's the data sheets from 2001. It's a 3-ton. Here's the logo. There's a few other units over here. We got some Goodmans, Lennox Meriton, Carrier 38 YCB. This Goodman has a new motor and blades. This YCB is a William Scroll. 97. Huh. What the hell? Crazy. There's a couple YCCs over here. This one has a Bristol. Model H29B. There's the tag, it's from 2000. 3-ton. This one's probably identical. Yep, 2000 3-ton. This one also has a Bristol compressor. H29B. Discovered these while I was trying to get my permit. One of the most unexpected discoveries of the time. But those are not what I'm here for. What I'm here for is, what do you know? A first gen Tech 2000. It's like the last place I'd expect to find a first gen Tech 2000 near a DMV. This one has a compressor set. This one's got a Carlisle reciprocating compressor. Nice. Trying to get a 0.5 shot of the compressor. Blade's in the way, but yeah, that is absolutely a Carlisle recip. It's from 1989. It's a 3-ton. Model 38 YG. I swear these damn things are all over my area. But still, cool to see. Oh, what the hell? Bruh. What have I... There's a 3rd gen too, as well. Copeland recip. Doesn't look like it's ran in a while. 2004 3-ton. Yeah, it's a 3-ton. 2004. There's a paint over here. Maybe replaced the round one base on the round base, but yeah. So I got a video of these because I saw them. Thanks for watching. Just came around to the other side of the building. I found this old XC900. It's an old one right here. The old Climatough recip compressor. Trains are known for having them. This one was from 1990 and it's a 3-ton. Very small 3-ton. There's a Carrier across the street in an office complex. YCC that's not running. 1998, 2.5 ton. Probably a Copeland recip. Yep, Copeland. A lot of these old YCCs had the Copeland recips. Some performance right there, that's running. We got another YCC right here. This one's actually in pretty good shape for its age. It's got a Millennium scroll compressor, which is also in pretty good shape. Comfort right here sounds like shit. Excellent YCC. 2000, 3.5 got some bunch of comforts here, which I'm honestly not gonna bother with.